Hello, it's Miss Hake back for some numeracy. We're going to need some string or some yarn today. We are going to make a string graph about how tall or long the people around you are. So if you have a whole class, you need to get a partner and you're going to find the end of the string. Sometimes that's tough to do. And you're going to get your friend to lay down nice and still on their back. And then you're going to get a string and you're going to go from their head all the way to their toes. Whoop. I'll show you how tall Miss Hake is. Are you ready? Head to toes, Miss Hake. Here we go. Head to toes. All right. Then you're going to cut it off. There we go. Where's my marker? There it is. It would be better if I was laying down, but it's hard to film a video like that. So this is my string right here. This is how tall I am. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your name, print it out on a card, and then find a blank wall, and you're going to tape the bottom of the string at the bottom of the wall and bring it all the way up the wall. So then you're going to have a full wall of string and how tall people are. I wonder, are you going to be the shortest? Are you going to be the tallest? Are you going to be somewhere in the middle? Have lots and lots of fun measuring how tall you are with string and creating a visual string graph on the wall. All right, have a beautiful time. Bye.